In the previous video, we explained what the Epstein files are and why they shocked the world. But one question remains unanswered. If serious accusations already existed, how did Jeffrey Epstein avoid real punishment for so many years? The answer lies in a legal decision made in 2008, a plea deal that legal experts still call one of the most controversial in modern U.S. history. Today, we explain Epstein's 2008 plea deal step by step. By the mid-2000s, multiple underage girls had already accused Jeffrey Epstein of sexual abuse. Police investigations were underway, witness statements were recorded, evidence was building. This was not a case with a single allegation. It involved multiple victims, similar patterns, and years of abuse. Under normal circumstances, such a case would have led to serious prison time, but that did not happen. In 2008, Epstein reached a plea agreement with prosecutors. Under this deal, Epstein pleaded guilty to minor state charges. Federal charges were dropped. He avoided a federal trial completely. Instead of a long prison sentence, Epstein received 18 months in jail and eligibility for work release. This meant Epstein could leave jail for most of the day, 6 days a week, to work from his office. For victims, this felt less like punishment and more like protection. Legal experts pointed out several shocking aspects. First, federal immunity. The deal protected Epstein and potential associates from federal prosecution. Second, victims were not informed. Many victims were never told about the plea deal until it was already finalized. Third, special privileges. Epstein was treated differently from ordinary inmates. In most cases involving minors, defendants face decades in prison, not work release privileges. This raised serious questions. Why was Epstein treated differently? Did wealth and influence affect justice? For victims, the plea deal was devastating. They had come forward at great personal cost. Many faced fear, shame, and public scrutiny. Yet the system reduced the severity of charges, limited accountability, silenced their voices. Some victims later said the plea deal felt like the system chose Epstein over them. The 2008 plea deal allowed Epstein to avoid deeper investigation and continue living as a powerful figure, maintain his social status. Most importantly, it delayed justice for more than a decade. It wasn't until years later, after new victims came forward and public pressure increased, that Epstein was arrested again. By then, the damage was already done. This plea deal teaches us something important. Justice is not just about laws. It is about how laws are applied. When power, money, and influence enter the system, justice can bend or even break. The Epstein case shows why. Transparency matters. Victims must be heard. No one should be above the law. In the next video, we will examine why Epstein's death raised so many unanswered questions and what we know for certain. If you value calm, factual explanations, please like, share, and subscribe. Because awareness is the first step toward accountability.